Hey guys, welcome to this new video on 7 powerful foods to improve your heart health by Healthify Me. It is a no-brainer that your diet should consist of healthy foods. However, did you know that certain healthy foods specifically improve your heart health? Heart-healthy foods are nutritious as a whole. In particular, they strive for the proper functioning of the heart. As of recent studies, if you want to know the cause of death, 1 in 4 have a common reason, and that is cardiovascular disease. With such soaring numbers, it is time to take charge of your health and take action. The heart beats non-stop, and it is only fair that it receives royal treatment in return. Along with exercise, diet plays a crucial role in keeping your heart healthy. Those who regularly consume heart-healthy foods are bound to have a reduced risk of cardiovascular ailments. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. The first one being oats. This popular breakfast item is indeed part of a heart-healthy diet. Oats contain large amounts of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber. It partially dissolves into water and forms a thick-like gel in the gut. Now, the heart health benefits of beta-glucan include reduced LDL and total cholesterol levels, and of course reduced blood sugar and better insulin response, increased feeling of fullness, and better bacteria growth in the digestive tract. Beta-glucan may increase the excretion of cholesterol-rich bile, thereby reducing circulating levels of cholesterol in the blood. They are easy to cook and ideal for morning meals. Now, to have them as a snack, you can also sprinkle some oat bran over yogurt. It is highly satiating and fills up your stomach. Now, the second powerful food is garlic. Garlic helps to reduce your blood pressure and cholesterol and aids in the healthy functioning of the heart. Indian food recipes have a tradition of adding garlic to most food items, from your dal to even dry preparations. And surprisingly, this heart-healthy food gives its best results when eaten raw on an empty stomach. So crush them finely and swallow. Our next powerful foods, of course, are our spices. Indians thrive on spices. Not a day goes by without us using at least one of them. So this should be like a walk in the park. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, cinnamon, cloves, the list is endless. And they all have some positive impact on the heart. And they help to reduce the chronic inflammation that the heart experiences. So use them generously while cooking. Our fourth food is fatty fish. All those who like to eat fish are in luck. They're delicious, filling, and of course, heart-friendly. The healthy fats in fish lower the bad cholesterol in the body, reducing the risk of heart diseases. You can go for rohu, surmai, salmon, bangda, and basa, and various other freshwater and saltwater fish. In order to preserve the omega-3s, avoid frying the fish. Instead, you can grill it or steam it for best results. Hey guys, don't forget you will need to track all the food that you eat. Download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description below to track the calories in your food. You will be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. Now, our fifth go-to food are the nuts. Just like seeds, nuts are essential for the heart and contain immense goodness. In particular, you must add walnuts, rich in omega-3s, and almonds, which are rich in calcium, as part of your heart-healthy diet. Both of them contain fats that are necessary for the body. These fats lower the buildup of plaque in the coronary arteries. As a result, they reduce the levels of bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthier. Now, our sixth go-to food is homemade yogurt. Homemade yogurt or homemade curds has multiple benefits, one of which is its heart-friendly nature. When speaking of wholesome, healthy foods, curd wins the spot. It is a well-balanced source of protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Moreover, its high potassium and probiotic content lowers the blood pressure and cholesterol. That in turn reduces your risk of heart ailments. Now our last, final, most powerful food is green tea. Green tea also increases the antioxidant capacity of the blood, which protects the LDL particles from oxidation, which is very key for heart health. Given the beneficial effects on risk factors, it may not be a surprise that people who drink green tea have up to 31% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. Here are a few other important habits for better heart health. Get moving. Do those 10,000 steps daily. Your heart is a muscle, and as with any muscle, exercise is what strengthens it. The first step is to determine your target heart rate. Then find an activity you enjoy and stick with it for the long run. Quit smoking. Now this is very important. Quitting smoking is tough. We all know that. But you know that it's important to quit, and one of the biggest reasons is that it's linked to heart disease. Lose weight. Now, losing weight will definitely help reduce that extra burden on the heart. Gradual, modest weight loss over the course of the year is preferable to drastic, sudden drop. And remember, it's about developing those healthy habits for life. No shortcuts will do. Fourthly, don't overeat. Although this advice primarily applies during the holidays when deaths from heart attacks spike thanks to copious amounts of food and temptation, it's valid year-round. Eating a lot of food at once leads to blood shifting from the heart to the digestive system, faster and irregular heart rhythms, which can lead to heart attack or heart failure. Now also manage your stress. There are more than 1,400 biochemical responses to stress, including a rise in blood pressure and a faster heart rate. If you don't manage your stress, it can create more stress and trap you in a stress cycle, creating a pathway for poor heart health. So do remember to take your daily walks, do your deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and do something fun over the weekend. This video brings you a step closer to a healthier, happier heart. You are sure to find foods that best suit your diet and needs in this list. Additionally, you must incorporate these heart-healthy habits regularly to gain maximum benefits and increase your quality of life. Chat with our coaches on WhatsApp today. Connect with Healthify Me's top nutritionists and trainers from the comfort of your phone. Click the link in the description below and start your consultation now. We hope you liked our video. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends, and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your own personal playlist so that you can come back and watch it anytime. Let us know in the comment section if we missed out on anything, or if you have any suggestions or questions about this particular topic. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify Me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you are on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos from Healthify Me. Thank you for watching.